Oh, hey. So we're back. Have y'all been behaving? The stupid thing would reload. You swell. But I was that. My song quit playing the exact moment Cam came back. Snipey. Thank you for the congrats. We were supposed to be behaving. We had a riot, don't tell me that. Now we see Kim with blood on her clothes saying, I got the last one. Okay. Are you guys ready for this?
Are you ready?
I'll put, you can read the comments there. Jesus, like literally everybody stayed. Thank you so much for waiting. Be any more creepy, why don't you? Alright, let me see this box. Oh, so heavy. So yeah, Last of Us edition, remastered edition thing. And I'll let you do the opening.
Alrighty.
500 gigabytes, holy shit. Sorry.
That seemed easy. Box inside of a box.
Nice. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, alright, let's see what we got here. We have a controller. Oh, by the way, yeah, I totally lied when I said I was getting accessories. I saw this hot pink controller and I fucking fell in love with it. And I was like, ooh, this is what I'll use the extra $20 on. But then, it turned out to be a PS3 controller and I cried my eyes out. But yeah, here's a controller. We got our Last of Us remastered digital download thing. Card thing. Promos. A manual. Quick start guide. What is this? And a whole bunch of cables. Headphones. Cables upon cables. And then last but not least, this is smaller than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
The PS4 itself. Holy snap, I can't believe this is like actually here right now. Whoa, a quick start guide, I'm so jealous.
It's here because of strange generosity that I don't understand.
Stalin, get out of here with that hate.
No, it's not hate. On the contrary, I'd very much appreciate it. I just can't say I'd reciprocate.
Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. I can't believe how small this is, like literally. Like I seriously thought it would be huge.
It's a weird like angle shape thing.
Yeah, like where does the disc even go? Oh my gosh.
Boy.
So many outlets.
It's a fine question.
For real, what? I guess right there.
Yeah, that must be it.
Yeah. Damn it. Wow. Seriously, thank you again. Huge shout out to K-Dig, BT Dave, and Fish Biscuit 156 for your generous donations. I seriously cannot believe you guys. You overwhelmed me with that. For real. Like, I cannot wait to play Shenmue 3 on this. And Last of Us, of course. And the Final Fantasy X 10-2 remastered that I bought yet again. Because I love that game so much. Oh my gosh. And the Final Fantasy VII remastered. Yes, I will be able to do a playthrough of that now. Yeah, Captain Sid, I had a fundraiser going on for it, and I literally got it in like 4 days. So my chips, I thought it'd be bigger. Oh my god.
Shenmue's almost at 3,300,000.
Yeah, for real. It's just so much hype going on anymore.